today as a room leader, I just want to introduce my team, the trainer Ms. Nitya, Administration Officer Ms. Mahajbeen, and the HR Manager Ms. Sushmita. So here we are to discuss about to promote innovation in team environments. So in the team environments, innovation in the team environments, we have the the first most important contents are planning for innovation and encouraging innovation. So first of all, I'm going to discuss about the explanation about the planning for innovation. So as a team leader, what my responsibility is to just assign the task and wait for the deadline to arrive. As a team leader, I need to be keep checking in again and again to see how different tasks are progressing and whether some of the team members need guidance or assistance to get the job done. The team accomplish that I already discussed and explain about. The policies and procedures for the same is like first of all, sustainability policies and procedures. The purpose of that project is to provide staff, customer and suppliers with inspiration and guidelines on sustainable practices to be conducted within the college, to ensure staff, customers, suppliers engage in environmentally friendly practice wherever possible, to promote our company as a leader in environmental sustainability. And the scope of the same is the policy has been developed for all staff. So the policy will strive and minimize its environmental impact and carbon footprint, providing leadership in environmental management by ensuring environmental sustainability is integral to all of its activities and outlined, like demonstrating best practice, shared responsibilities, participation, and openness and transparency, innovation and creativity that all make a project better and innovative. The third procedures like water, save water, electricity, turn off all the lights at the end of the day, waste, all used paper, cardboard, aluminium and hard plastic is to be placed in recycling bins. Printing, documents should be printed when they need. So the other is, next one is like team requirement. How can you find out what the team needs to be more innovative? For that, practicing like we reviewing internal data, reports, sales, problems, complaints, etc. Then afterward, the scanning the wider horizon and marketplace, asking team members for ideas, sharing personal ideas as well, brainstorming ideas and applying other creative thinking techniques. So the policies and procedures need to be innovation in the workplace is to record management, teamwork, practice standards and written communication, surely. The next one is how can we share task and responsibility across the team. Shared responsibility, all members of our staff are responsible for our sustainability performance and such will be made aware of their role through induction, professional development, the provision of necessary information and educational resources. The resources available such as physical resources, budget, time as well. Reporting back to the team, reinforce the agree ground rules and identify the focus for the reports. Next is how you emphasize the importance of establishing and building effective working relationship within your team. So first one is creating a positive energy or vibe within the team. Having fundamental literacy strength in certain areas that will benefit the whole team. They may be, for example, for strong in visual literacy, interpreted the written word, or disparaging spoken communication. Being able to think in certain ways, abstract, critical, convergent, and divergent as well. So for the research ways for better working, I just attach some links. Please check on that. I'll email you everyone the links. You just check on that. Thank you so much for that. For the next one is the opportunities to creating innovative process. Like firstly is technology and functionalities, because if we embrace new technology into the business, it will enhance in our business as well. User experience and designs, business models. That's all in the first section. For the second section is encouraging innovation. How we can encourage the innovation within the team members. So support innovation in your work area. what are the tasks? Like here, idea generations, scampers, research and development, market research, competitor analysis, experimentation with new technologies, and prototyping. Then is experimentation and risk taking, pilot projects, proof of concept development, testing and iterations, learning from the failure, definitely. And the strength and weaknesses of the team, like everybody have a strength and weaknesses in the team. So these are like similar work priorities. When teams share the same priorities, they're more likely to achieve their shared goal and meet strict deadline on time. Equal collaboration, diversity, strong leadership, good active listening, lack of collaboration and lack of motivation, poor work ethics these are some weaknesses as well as it's in every team. So the ground rule for the team are here some effective team rules to help a team work together successfully. Respect and inclusivity, open communication. We share thoughts, ideas, concern openly and honestly. And active listening. Listen actively and respond thoughtfully. So we should be clear our goals and roles as well. Accountability and ownership. Take responsibility for tasks, action and outcomes. And for the brainstorming techniques, like for that we can use free writing, mind mapping, like visualizing the ideas, concepts and diagrams, starbursting, generate ideas around a certain idea or concepts, reverse brainstorming, identifying a problem and generate idea that would make it worse. For the group leadership techniques, active listening, encourage open communication and clarify ideas. Open-ended questions, encourage the team members to ask questions so that they just got the good group leadership techniques, divide and conquer, alternative feedbacks, setting clear goals. After that, like we can reward, motivation and rewards are also in that, so that motivation in the context is an innovation team is uh, inspiring or individual in the team to optimize their engagement with the problem or issue being addressed at the time. Propose several traditional reward and recognition ideas such as bonus, verbal recognition or some other form of writing recognition, a certificate, time off for the team members, promotion, extra responsibilities, free company products or services as well. So this will lead a team in a good way. So they encourage, how they encourage to contribution, innovation, foster a culture of creativity, empower others, celebrate failures, provide opportunity for learning and development, emphasize the impact, create a safe space for idea sharing. And for the communication, like be transparent, be very transparent from the top down. Like communication is one of the many things an organization leader must model for employees. Ask employees for feedback. Just invite your personnel to offer feedback, encourage open communication. Demonstrate respect for employee. Demonstrating respect for employee, show you value them. So they're scheduling activities so that they can do everything on time and even they know what we have to do or not to do and what time we have to do everything. Challenging and testing ideas. The vital protocol that must be observed when challenging ideas are the process must be respectful, challenge must be inclusive, the rationale for the process must be explained at the outset. Key to testing ideas are like effective monitoring to enable suitable, sufficient and objective data to capture, using result as the basis for deciding if changes need to be made or making those alterations. Judging and the nature and extent of progress made by providing or disproving in practice what was expected in theory. So this is all about the first two sections. We'll discuss about that the third section later. So I hope you just find it better. If any question and queries, just let me know or email me anytime.